My child, I know what they said about you. I heard every word whispered behind your back, every doubt spoken to your face, every prediction that you would fail. I watched them count you out before you even had a chance to prove yourself. I saw them write you off, dismiss your potential, and place a ceiling over your life that they had no authority to build. But here is what they did not know. While they were counting you out, I was counting you in. While they were measuring you by your past, I was preparing you for your future. While they were limiting you with their small vision, I was expanding you with mine. And now, the moment has come for me to show them what I always saw in you. Let me tell you about a boy named Samuel. When the prophet came to his father's house looking for the next king of Israel, Jesse proudly presented his sons. Tall, strong, impressive young men. 7 of them stood before the prophet, and 7 times God said no. The prophet was confused. He asked Jesse, "Are these all your sons?" And Jesse, almost embarrassed, said, "Well, there is one more, the youngest, David, but he is out in the fields watching sheep. He is too young, too small, not worth considering."
Too young, too small, not worth considering. That is what they said about the boy who would become the greatest king Israel ever knew. That is what they said about the one I had already chosen, already anointed, already prepared for greatness. They counted him out because they could only see what was in front of them, but I saw what was inside him. David was not in the room when opportunity knocked because his own family did not think he deserved a seat at the table. He was doing the work nobody else wanted to do, serving faithfully in a field where no one was watching, developing character in obscurity that he would need for the palace. And when they finally, reluctantly brought him in, the prophet took one look and heard my voice clearly. "This is the one." The brothers were shocked. The father was surprised, but I was not. I had been preparing David for this moment his entire life. Every lion he fought while protecting the sheep was training for the giant he would face. Every stone he practiced throwing in solitude was preparation for the one that would drop Goliath. Every song he wrote to me in the silence of the fields was worship that would become the psalms that comfort millions. What looked like rejection was actually selection. What looked like being overlooked was actually being prepared.
My child, you are David. You have been counted out by people who could not see what I placed inside you. You have been dismissed, overlooked, underestimated, written off. Your own family may have doubted you. Your friends may have stopped believing in you. The world may have told you that you are too young, too old, too broken, too inexperienced, too much, or not enough. But I am about to bring you into the room. I am about to call your name. I am about to show everyone who counted you out that I was counting you in all along. The giant you are about to face is bigger than you, but the God inside you is bigger than any giant. The opposition you are about to overcome will shock everyone who doubted you. But it will not shock me, because I have been training you in secret for this public victory. Every rejection you endured built resilience you will need. Every closed door taught you to trust my timing over your own. Every moment of obscurity developed humility that will keep you grounded when elevation comes. Every person who underestimated you gave you the gift of low expectations, which means your breakthrough will be undeniable. So hear me clearly. You are not too late. You are right on time. You are not disqualified. You are differently qualified. You are not forgotten. You are being prepared for a moment so significant that everything you went through will suddenly make sense. In the next 30 days, watch what I do. Watch how I open doors no one saw coming. Watch how I position you in rooms you were told you did not belong in. Watch how I silence the voices that counted you out by letting your results do the talking. Watch how I turn your test into your testimony and your mess into your message. Stop letting their doubt become your ceiling. Stop letting their limited vision define your future. Stop shrinking to fit into spaces I never designed for you. You were made for more. You were chosen for this, and I am about to prove it in a way that leaves no room for question. They counted you out, but I am counting you in. Get ready. Your moment is here.